Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people create those beautiful digital planners that make organization feel like a breeze, and you want to make one yourself, complete with clickable hyperlinks for easy navigation, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your very own digital planner in Canva, using landscape orientation, and set up those handy hyperlinks that turn your planner from static to interactive. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free. It only takes a minute, and it opens up a whole world of design opportunities. So go ahead and fire up your browser and log in to Canva. I love using Canva because it's wonderfully intuitive, even if you're totally new to designing digital products. Once you're on Canva's main dashboard, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Click on that. You'll notice there are a bunch of options. From Instagram posts to business cards, but today we're building something a little more specialized. In the search bar that appears, type in Planner Landscape. This is important. Typing landscape ensures your planner is horizontal, which is perfect for digital planners as it fits most tablet and computer screens much better. If you accidentally pick a portrait template, don't worry. Just go back and enter landscape to get that wide screen look. Now you'll see a variety of template options pop up. Take a moment to scroll through and choose one that matches the vibe or organization style you want. Whether you're into minimal, colorful, or something more structured, you'll likely find a template that feels just right. Remember, you're not locked in. The template is just a starting point. You can customize everything later. Go ahead and select a template to open it up in the Canva editor. This is where the real fun begins. Don't be afraid to play around here. Change the colors, update the fonts, add sections, to-dos, stickers. Really tailor it to your preferences or your needs. Adding your own touch is what makes your digital planner unique. Now let's tackle the magic ingredient, hyperlinks. Hyperlinks let you click from one section to another, turning your planner into an interactive experience. Think of it as setting up signposts so you can jump straight to your monthly view, weekly spreads, or notes without endless scrolling. To add a hyperlink in Canva, first select the text or element you want to make clickable. See the little chain link icon in the toolbar above? Click on that. Here you can either enter a website URL or, even better for planners, paste in the page number or select another page within your design. This internal linking is what allows those handy tabs and sections to work. So for example, if you have a January tab, you can link it straight to your January spread inside your planner. Take your time setting these up. Hyperlinks can be fiddly the first time, but they're absolutely worth it. Once you've gone through and added hyperlinks to all the sections or tabs you want, and don't hesitate to test them out by clicking in presentation mode to make sure they're taking you to the right spot, you're basically done. Your digital planner is ready to save as a PDF with hyperlinks enabled. That's all it takes to create a clickable, customized digital planner in Canva. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more creative tutorials like this one. If you get stuck at any step or want tips on styling your planner, just drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.